In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Fiverr. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to switch to any language you prefer, making your navigation on Fiverr much more comfortable and personalized. So let's get started on this quick and easy process. First things first, you need to open up the Fiverr website. Go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and navigate to Fiverr's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. Being logged in is crucial because you'll need access to your personal settings, where the language change option resides. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here's where you'll find your profile icon, conveniently located so it's easy to access. Click on this profile icon to bring up a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options that help customize and manage your Fiverr experience. Within this drop-down, you're going to look for an option that's marked with a globe icon. This icon represents the language settings. It's pretty intuitive and straightforward, symbolizing the range of language options available to configure. Click on this globe icon to proceed to the next step. Once you click the globe icon, a list of available languages will appear. Fiverr offers a range of languages to choose from, making the platform accessible to users from all over the world. Take a moment to scroll through these options and locate the language you want. Whether you're switching to Spanish, French, or any other language available, the site is designed to accommodate your preference. After selecting your desired language, for instance, Spanish, you will notice the entire Fiverr website instantly changes to that language. It's that simple. With just a couple of clicks, you've seamlessly adapted Fiverr to suit your linguistic needs. The translation covers not just the home page, but also other navigational and transactional pages, ensuring consistency in your experience. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on Fiverr. It's a simple yet impactful change that enhances your user experience by embracing a language you're most comfortable in. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future Fiverr tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing